step done. I made the factor trees. Okay, step 2 is to write the factorization in ascending order. It doesn't say this up there, but I really should have said it. You can't write the factorization with powers. Okay, you've got to leave the powers out of it. So over here, I've got 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Here, I've got 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And that's that step done. All right. The third step says to circle the likes. When I say circle the likes, I mean I have to circle numbers that are in both lists, the top and the bottom. For every pair, I'm going to have a circle.
2s and 3s.
So, as you can see, I've got a set of 2s. I've got another set of 2s. And I've got a set of 3s that are in both lists, top and bottom. Step 4 says to multiply one row of the likes together. Now here's where you make a decision. Not that it's an important decision, but you pick the top or the bottom row. I'm going to pick the top row. You're going to multiply together all of the circled numbers. So I've got 2 times 2, which is 4, times 3, which is 12, and that's the greatest common factor. Now, you're saying, well, wait a minute, that took a long time. Yes, it does take a long time. However, if the numbers are, say, 500 and 512, okay, you probably don't want to list out all the factors of 500 and then try and do it again for 512. That's probably going to take you the same amount of time as this, if not longer. Right? And that's where the prime factorization really comes in handy with larger numbers. All right, so let's try it again. In example 4, we're asked to try it with the numbers 36 and 90. All right, so let's start with 36. Give me two numbers that I can break 36 down to.
9 and 4.
9 and 4. All right, neither of those are prime, so they'll both need to be broken down again. Danny, you want to break down 9 or you want to break down 4?
4.
Okay, 4 breaks down into
2
and 2. Right? And both of those are prime. Christian, break down 9 for me. 3 and 3. Alright, now I've got to break down 90. Give me two numbers that multiply together to make 90. Kyle.
Me?
You're Kyle.
Alright. I don't know.
Two numbers that multiply together to make 90. It's not a trick question.
Oh, I know. 10 and 9.
10 and 9. Alright. Now we said over here that 9 breaks down as 3 and 3. That one's done. 10 we can break down though. Brianna, break down 10. 5 and 2. Alright. So that's step 1 done. The next step, write the factorization in ascending order. So over here I've got 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Here I've got 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Alright, I have to then circle the likes. So I've got a set of 2s, got a set of 3s, got another set of 3s. Corey, you want to work with the top row of numbers or the bottom row of numbers?
Top row.
Top row of numbers, okay. So the numbers I have circled on the top are 2, a 3, and a 3. Corey, what's 3 times 3?
9.
Times 2?
18.
18. So the greatest common factor of 36 and 90 is 18. All right, let's try it with 48 and 72, then we'll move on to something else. All right, so got to break down 48 and 72. Joe, give me two numbers that multiply together to make 48.
Well, there's 8 and 6.
Sorry?
8 and 6.
8 and 6 works. Okay. All right, Chris, which one number do you want to break down? 8 or 6?
8.
Okay, Chris is going to break down 8. Two numbers that multiply together to make 8. 2 and 4. 2 is prime, but 4 isn't. Chris, break down 2. 2 and 2. All right, Cody, two numbers that multiply together to make 6.
2 and 3.
2 and 3, and both of those are prime. All right, so now I've got to break down 72. Give me two numbers that multiply together to make 72. Shelly. 9 and 8. All right, now we already broke down 8 over here. We know that 8 comes out as 2 and 4, and 4 comes out as 2 and 2. But we haven't worked with 9 in this problem, so we need to break down 9. Alex, two numbers that multiply together to make 9. 3 and 3. All right, so got the factor trees done, so I can go ahead and write the factorization in ascending order now. So on this side here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 2s and a 3. Over here, 3 2s and 2 3s. I have to circle my lights. 2, 2, 2,